We'll guide you through how to use Timeline View in Monday.com. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once your browser is ready, go to Monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page and access your workspace. Choose the login method that you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and verify that it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your Monday.com account. Open the board that you want to use. To use the timeline view, make sure that your board already contains a timeline column in the main table view, as this column is required for displaying tasks on the timeline. Click the plus icon in the Views section to add a new view that allows you to display your board information in a different layout. Select Explore More Views to browse the available view options provided by Monday.com. From the list of available views, locate the timeline view and click Open in Board to add it to your board. You have now successfully opened the timeline view and can begin organizing your tasks visually based on their timelines. In the timeline view, you can adjust the timeline by clicking and dragging a task to the timeline that you want, making it easy to reposition tasks according to your project schedule. You can also adjust the timeline duration by clicking and dragging either end of the task timeline to the left or right, allowing you to shorten or extend the task duration based on your project requirements. You can now use the timeline view and adjust it according to your needs.